this is training each shooter to be able to, well, one, have confidence in his weapon system, but also to be able to engage a threat at any given distance.
Hit.
Target Bravo!
Target Bravo นะกด B ครับ
โดนซ้ายอำพลสะโพกซ้าย
Top C this is supposed to be
อำพลเล่
Target 3
Hit!
Robertson!
Hit! We're actually doing, worked on some position changes using tripods, worked on some mill holds and max point blank, just teaching them to the other services that are actually here.
Sosa!
Hit!
Left shoulder.
Hit!
Square in the neck. Looks like you hit left.
Hit!
Good.
Mesa! Lay!
ยิงก๋วยเตี๋ยวเลี้ยงปาก
โดนหนุนหน้าอกเลยหน้าอกซ้าย
Good job Good job
Hit!
ยิงขึ้นสูงฟันขึ้นเลย
Hit!
Good.
Target 5
เข้าห้า
Hit!
Mesa!
Trying to sharpen overall marksmanship. Some of the previous engagements we've been into had a lot of multi-threat engagements. So this is basically focusing on being able to engage more than one target using one dope for that individual that pops out of nowhere that you don't necessarily have a dope for.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Left. Shift right.
Hit, shift right. Hit, shift left.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit. Miss.
หน้าแนว
They're doing rather well, and you know, had we had an interpreter for the Koreans, I think that they would be on par with everybody else. I think right now we're kind of skipping some portions that we can't translate to them because we don't have a translator, but the Thais are shooting awesome given the fact that we have an interpreter here, and then recon and the other elements are really grasping what's being taught. So I think overall the fundamentals are there for everybody. I think more like this range, I think they just need more trigger time.
Yeah. Good. Hit, shift right.
2.
Shift right.
And
Hit.